Food is not only a source of pleasure but also a fundamental necessity for our survival. Our bodies rely on the intake of nutrients to function optimally. However, what would happen if one were to abstain from eating for an entire week? This essay delves into the detailed consequences that arise from depriving the body of nourishment over such an extended period. Day 1. The body begins utilizing glycogen stores for energy as food intake ceases. Glycogen is a complex carbohydrate stored in the liver and muscles. As blood sugar levels drop, the body releases stored glycogen and breaks it down into glucose, which is used as a primary fuel source. This process, known as glycogenolysis, helps provide energy to the body's cells and organs. However, as glycogen reserves deplete, feelings of fatigue and weakness may arise due to the decreasing availability of glucose. Day 2. With glycogen stores continuing to be depleted, the body enters a state of ketosis. In this metabolic state, the body shifts its energy source from glucose to ketones, which are produced by breaking down fats. Ketones become the primary fuel source for the brain and muscles. This transition to ketosis allows the body to conserve glucose for vital organs that rely on it, such as the brain. However, this process also leads to dehydration, as glycogen is stored with water molecules, resulting in a loss of water weight along with stored carbohydrates. Day 3. As ketosis becomes more pronounced, the body's reliance on fats for energy intensifies. To meet its energy needs, the body starts breaking down muscle tissue through a process called gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis involves converting amino acids, derived from muscle proteins, into glucose. This process helps provide glucose to organs and tissues that require it, but it also leads to muscle wasting and weakness. Day 4. By day 4, the body's glucose reserves are nearly depleted. The lack of essential nutrients from food intake weakens the immune system, making the body more vulnerable to infections. Physical and mental fatigue set in as the body adapts to the prolonged fasting state. Concentration and cognitive function may become challenging due to the reduced availability of glucose, which is a vital energy source for the brain. Day 5. With no food intake, the body's energy stores, including fats, continue to diminish. The breakdown of structural proteins for energy becomes more prominent. Muscle weakness becomes more noticeable, and physical activity becomes increasingly difficult. The body's reliance on ketones for energy intensifies, which can lead to increased urinary ketone excretion as the body becomes more efficient at using fat as fuel. Day 6. The body enters a state of significant nutritional deficiency. Essential micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals are severely lacking due to the absence of food intake. This deficiency affects various bodily functions, including immune function, hormone production, and enzymatic reactions. Digestive issues, such as constipation, can arise due to the absence of dietary fiber, which aids in proper digestion and bowel movements. Day 7. The body is in a state of prolonged starvation. Muscle wasting continues, leading to a significant loss of strength and physical capabilities. Hormonal imbalances persist, affecting mood, sleep, and cognitive function. Severe fatigue, dizziness, and low blood pressure become prominent, posing a significant risk to overall health. The body begins conserving energy by reducing body temperature and suppressing non-essential bodily functions. That means, a week of fasting presents considerable challenges for the body and mind. The absence of food leads to a progressive deterioration of physical and mental well-being. Processes such as glycogenolysis, ketosis, and gluconeogenesis become vital for providing energy to the body's cells and organs. However, prolonged fasting also leads to muscle wasting, weakened immunity, hormonal imbalances, cognitive impairments, electrolyte imbalances, and increased health risks. It is crucial to prioritize self-care and well-being throughout the fasting process, engaging in appropriate activities within the limits of one's physical capabilities, and seeking guidance from healthcare professionals to ensure a safe and healthy experience. Remember, proper nutrition is essential for maintaining optimal health, and any prolonged or extreme fasting should be approached with caution and under professional supervision.